If you manage an organization that thrives on members' contributions, then you know that memberships management requires far more than just a list of names and addresses. One working group using WhatsApp for communications, another group using Facebook, traditional tools like Excel, Mailchimp, or even an expensive CRM system cannot cater for what you really need. And that's where things often go wrong, because a traditional CRM is rarely designed to streamline communication towards members, organize working groups or interest groups, centralize documents and information in one place, manage access rights and roles per member type, coordinate activities, volunteers, or events, quickly handle new registrations or membership changes. Let's see how Ishtar 365 makes membership management effortless. Start by building your members database. Create as many data fields as you want. Create a new member. Select the group for your member, about which he may receive information. Build your members portal. You have the option to make different roles. When inviting members to the information portal, give them a role and access to specific interest groups. Or you give the option to select the interest groups themselves. Build the homepage of your portal. Add a CMS feed. Determine who can see this content and if they can do more than just viewing. Get an instant preview of what you just built. Let's discover more possibilities. Share documents with your members. Add a calendar to invite members to events. Add the task web part and create tickets with your members.